As a graduating student, are you prefer to take a board exam or find a part-time job?
I think, personally, motik lang ko dahil ay part-time job. Not everybody has an access man sa money to take the board exam. So, first is, I think mag-ipon lang ko dahil money para later on makatake ang board exam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Na ano ba yung major, ma'am?
Na math major.
So, as a graduating student, are you prefer to take a board exam or find a part-time job? And why?
So, as a graduating student, may major in mathematics, mas prefer ko yan na magkuha dahil board exam. It's because ang time ba na manubol man, mas namin kung magkuha ka board exam na fresh graduate ka pa, kaya mo nga natunan kaysa dasol pa. So, amo na ang reason ko.
As a graduating student, are you prefer to take a board exam or find a part-time job?
For me, as a graduating student, I want to take board exam after graduating because I want to be a professional teacher someday, which can help me to share my expertise to the young minds, and I can provide them meaningful learning, which can make a difference in their life. And of course, I want to have a job.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So, ano galing yung major, ma'am?
BSL Science.
Ay, okay. So, as a graduating student, are you prefer to take a board exam or find a part-time job, and why?
I must prefer to take a board exam after graduation kay according sa mga seniors, it's better nga ma-take a board exam nga fresh pa ang mga natunan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sige, as a graduating student, are you prefer to take a board exam or find a part-time job?
So as a graduating student, in my state right now, I'm not ready to take a board exam, knowing the fact that in my situation, I don't have any means for, inang need ba na po na mag-review center para na mabalikan wala na mo ng mga past lessons nga wala na mo na tutukan, especially we are in pandemic babies. So, need din na mo na nga mag-work dahil siguro para nga mayroon kami nga kuhaan sang allowance para sa iba sa board exam, sa review center before mag-take sa board exam.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
As a graduating student, are you prefer to take a board exam or find a part-time job, and why?
Subong in our current situation, syempre atong graduation is August 5 pa lamang, or ang amon nga graduation fourth year student is August 5 pa. If ma-take kami board exam sa December, I think akon nga capacity sa akong knowledge is not enough pa. Kinahanglan ko pa sa a lot of time para mag-review. So mas preferred ko siguro na makuha ko danay sa part-time job or mangita ko danay ubra. In order that pwede ko nga maka-save time, maka-save money para the next naman nga schedule sang let, which is sa March, mahambal ko nga may enough na ko time and may enough ko nga money. Naka-prepared na ko a lot. Ready na ko nga mag-take sang board exam. Ulang na. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
As a graduating student, are you prefer to take a board exam or find a part-time job?
For me, I think find first part-time job because sa problema financially, pero if given an opportunity na free pag-take sa board exam, I will grab the opportunity to take the board exam first.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am.
Out of 7 graduating students enrolled in the College of Teacher Education, there are 3 who choose to take the board exam, while the other 4 do not. They say to find a part-time job to save money for preparation for the next incoming board exam. Therefore, I conclude that those who choose to take a board exam after graduation are those who are ready and have money to pay for the review center and other expected expenses.